Real estate investing sounds like something reserved for millionaires sipping lattes in glass-walled offices. But what if I told you, in 2025, it's easier than ever for regular folks like you and me to jump in without needing to sell a kidney or win the lottery? No, you don't need a top hat, a monocle, or a real-life Monopoly board. You just need a plan, and this video. So grab a coffee or a protein shake, I don't judge, and let's break down the easiest way to start real estate investing in 2025. And no, this isn't one of those get rich in 3 days scams. We're talking real strategies, real examples, and real talk. Let's go. Okay, so first, why 2025? Is it just because we like futuristic sounding dates? Nope. It's because right now, the real estate world is changing more than your aunt's relationship status on Facebook. Home prices are stabilizing, rent demand is up. Tech tools make investing ridiculously simple. And let's not forget the goldmine of information online. Back in the day, you had to beg some mustached guy at a seminar to teach you real estate secrets. Now, you've got podcasts, YouTube channels like this one, AI tools, and communities built for beginner investors. Long story short, 2025 is like the iPhone of real estate years. It's smart, it's powerful, and if you're not using it, you're missing out. Now, let's get tactical. Here's the 5-step no-fluff game plan to get started in 2025. Step 1, know your why. Are you investing for financial freedom? To retire your mom? To fund your dog's luxury spa habit? Know it. Write it down. Tattoo it on your forehead. Okay, maybe not that last one. Step 2, pick your strategy. There are so many ways to invest: a house, rental properties, a house flipping a box, REITs a bed, Airbnb, short-term rentals, real estate crowdfunding. Pick one. Don't try to flip a house, manage a duplex, and invest in a REIT all before lunch. Step 3, learn like a nerd. Read books, watch YouTube, binge BiggerPockets instead of Netflix for once. You don't need a PhD, just enough to not accidentally buy a shed in the desert thinking it's a duplex. Step 4, get your money right. You don't need millions. There are FHA loans, house hacking, partnerships, and even platforms where you can invest with just $10. Step 5, take small action. Analyze a deal, tour a property, call a local agent, do something. Because overthinkers make spreadsheets, action takers make money. Want to know the easiest, laziest, most genius way to get started? House hacking. No, it's not illegal. And no, you don't need a hoodie and a laptop in a dark room. House hacking is living in one part of a property and renting out the rest. Duplex? Live in one unit, rent the other. Big house? Rent out the basement or get roommates. You reduce your living costs, sometimes to zero, and build equity every month. It's like turning your house into a money printer while still sleeping in it. You can even use an FHA loan with just 3.5% down. That's less than your average wedding these days, and way more profitable. Okay, let's talk about the secret weapon of 2025, technology. Back in 2005, finding a good deal meant calling 19 agents and praying someone didn't lie to you. Now, you can analyze deals in seconds with tools like BiggerPockets calculators. You can scout neighborhoods using Google Street View like a virtual ninja. You've even got AI that helps analyze returns, estimate repair costs, and write real listing descriptions. Cozy home with great potential. Smells like old socks. I tells it like it is. Real estate has gone digital, baby. Use the tools. Work smart. Don't guess. Calculate. So, what should you not do? Let's break down the top rookie mistakes. Waiting for the perfect time. Spoiler, that time doesn't exist. Falling in love with the property instead of the numbers. This isn't Tinder, it's business. Ignoring hidden costs. Surprise repairs can eat your cash faster than your cousin at an open buffet. Trying to do it all alone. Build a team. Agent, lender, contractor, maybe even a mentor. Thinking one bad deal equals the end. Nope. It's a lesson. Learn, adjust, move on. Let's pause and look at some real people who made it happen. Emily, a teacher, house hacked a triplex at 26, and now cash flows $900 a month. Jay, an Uber driver, started with a $10 investment on a real estate crowdfunding platform. 3 years later, he owns his first duplex. Maria and Leo, a couple in their 30s, flipped their first house using YouTube tutorials and now have a 5-property portfolio. They didn't wait for permission. They didn't come from money. They just got started. All right, let's make this real. The easiest way to get started? Pick a simple strategy, use today's tools, avoid common traps, take action. Don't scroll past this and forget. Don't wait for next year. Your future self is already high-fiving you for starting today.